Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Venmo not sending verification code. When you sign up or update your phone number on Venmo, they send a code via text from 86753. If you're not receiving the code, try the following steps. Tap Present Code in the Venmo app, text start to 86753 to ensure you're allowing Venmo messages. Try logging in from a computer using your email and password. You'll receive an SMS code there too. Contact your phone provider and make sure your short code messages are enabled. If it still doesn't work, contact Venmo support and include full details of the issue. Email verification issues. Venmo sends a verification link to your email. If you don't see it, search your inbox for Venmo. Check your spam or junk folders. Don't reply to the email. Click the link inside instead. To manually verify or add another email, sign in at venmo.com/identity/verify_email_addresses. Enter your email, click verify, check your inbox for a new verification link. And that's it. That's how to fix Venmo not sending verification code. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.